So I was thinking about where I wanted this channel to go now that I no longer have Locs, and I didn't want to lose my 53 subscribers. So I was thinking of what should I do on my channel now. So I know I said I was going to restart my Loc journey, and I feel like I'm letting down a promise that I gave. However, I've currently decided not to restart my Loc journey until someone tells me how I'm able to have Locs and not lose my edges. Do you see what I see? 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 I got my hair back. 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 Guys, I'm locking all over again. Finally, I'm back. Now you guys subscribe to me. You guys, this side of my hair hasn't been retained in 4 months. It's 4 months worth of new growth. Look. Can you see that? I need to get better lighting. 4 months worth of new growth. Can you see my roots? I can't really see. You guys see I'm begging? The hair is dry. It needs hydration. It needs moisture. It needs to be fed. It's saying, please don't do this to me. My eyebrows need to be done. Well, on this side anyways. And okay, let me just show you guys. This is like my gangsta look. Like my, yo, I don't care, man, type of look. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm begging. Like I need some lip gloss. I need my eyebrows to be done, and my hair, as you can see, needs retaining. Look, I even have loose spots. Oh my god, something came my eye. Okay, I even have loose spots. Let me show you. Oh my god, I can't even see it. I need better lighting. Anyways, you see that? You see that? Look at all that bush. Can you see that bush? Look at that. I have to make new locks. There. Do you see that? All of that. That's how I'm walking on the road. And then I have this. It's a little better. Look, my eyebrows are done. My hair is flat. Sorry. Okay, stay on your side. Okay. I'm playing. Anyways, but you know, it's a little bit more subtle. I got some lip gloss going on. Okay, guys, I'm back. I pulled out my first set of locks. I finished pulling out my locks, my first set, March of 2014. And you know what's funny? Back when I first had those locks, and I used to see people's video about second set installation and pulling out my locks, and I used to think, what the hell? What's the point of that? What's the point of that? And here I am. So, well, I pulled out my locks because I got pregnant with my daughter, my first daughter, and my locks went unruly. Like, I mean unruly. I went to my loctician. No one could manage my hair. It was like my hair was just saying, I don't know what it was saying, but you know, unruly, like it was not listening. It did not want to tame itself. It wanted to be horrible. And it was going all over the place, and I was like, I can't walk on the road like this. I can't. So I pulled out my locks. I did 3 years without locks, back to the loose hair, and I tried those protective styles. It's just not for me. Unfortunately, it's not for me. So I like my polished look. See, this is more like my polished look. Like I could go outside like this. Whereas in here, I'm like, hide me. Yeah. So you guys got both of me. Okay. Okay. So I started to put back in my locks in June of 2017. The loctician didn't finish my locks until mid-August of 2017. Drama. If you guys want to know more about that, you guys need to watch, not the next video that's coming out, but the video after that will be my story about what I went through. I never knew that there could be drama. And you know, I'd actually even say it's a lock drama, because really and truly, it's not even a lock drama. It just so happens that my loctician is who I went through the drama with. and obviously it's Locs, right? But check that out, because this girl is retightening this by herself. By myself. Can you imagine? When I seen the size, if you guys go back to one of my videos, I'll post it here or somewhere, whatever, here. And I said, I will either go the same size or I'll go bigger, but I won't go smaller. If you check out my previous videos, this is smaller, way smaller. Look, let me show you. Can you see that? Can you see how tiny these are? Like, these are real micros. Real micros. And so when I seen the size that she did, I was like, I am not retightening. That means I'm going to be coming to her to retie my hair forever. That didn't work out. That did not work out. I want to tell you guys the story, but I'm going to have to put it another time because that story is whack. Okay? Whack. Meanwhile, anyhow, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when your hair doesn't really need a retaining. As you can see, don't look at the side. It doesn't need a retaining. It's still nice and thick, but I can put my hands through it to see all the hair is locked in. It has a nice sheen to it. It's moisturized. It feels healthy. It feels great. It feels great. I love it. And then you have Bega on this side, which unfortunately is saying, help me, help me. And the loose hair, I can't even pull it apart type of stuff going on back here. I don't even know. And I don't know what happened here. I think it was my last pregnancy. My hair just got really short. Anyhow, yeah. So you got this side that's like dry. It doesn't even have a sheen in the world. I haven't moisturized it, nothing. Because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when people are begging for some help. Like, I'm begging, give me some juice, give me some water, give me something, please. I'm dry. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what dry locks, locks that need to be retightened. This is what it looks like. So if someone says they need to retighten their locks, they might look like this, like a big bush. As you can see, it's just kind of up there. And hopefully not as bad though. Hopefully they don't look as bad. And yeah, the locks need moisture because it'll make your locks break if you don't have moisture. And I did it for you guys. I risked my locks for you. You gotta appreciate it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna deal with this just now. I'm gonna wash it and retighten it, and I'm gonna be all that and a bag of chips. So it's okay. It's okay. I don't mind. I can't believe I have my locks back, guys. Like, I'm really excited. I was always one of those people that if I see locks on the road, I'm staring down the person, admiring their locks, wondering what is going on. How did they do their locks? How did they do that style? Oh, I like that locks. Oh no, I don't want my locks to look like that. Yeah, that was me. So if you guys see me staring at you on the road, now you know why. Because I was thinking about mine. I was thinking about I miss my hair. I tried the loose hair, and honestly, it's just not for me. The protective styles, I wasn't pulling off. I could do a wash and go because I have curly hair. Like, I can make my hair go nice and curly, but yeah, anything else, 2-strand twists, plaits, all that stuff, it was not for me. I could braid, so yeah, sure I could braid, but it wasn't for me. So I'm so happy to be where I'm at right now with my locks. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you these locks are freshly done, not like today, but you know, maybe a few weeks ago. And they're moisturized, they're great. Actually, my ends kind of look, they're not dry, but maybe I could give them a little bit more moisture. I use rose water, so, but you know, they're healthy, right? It's healthy, they've been taken care of, and this is, girl, you need some help. So I'll retain it. You guys will see me again. Don't worry, you guys will see me again. Make sure you subscribe so you can see me again. And it'll all get fixed up. Okay? So I just wanted to show you guys the difference between me looking decent, or at least I hope you think so, and me looking rakataga. I'm not afraid to show you my truth. This is my truth, guys. There's some days I look like this, and there's some days I look like this. It's not a big difference because I don't wear a whole bunch of makeup and, you know, all them thing there, but it's a big enough difference for me. So, people, I hope you guys liked this video. It's just basically me saying, I'm back! And being happy to be here and being happy to share my journey with you guys. And if you have any questions, comments, likes, please leave them below. If you are starting your lock journey, please tell me how you started yours. I started with interlocks. It's the 4 rotation pattern. I never started mine. My loctician did. She's done 2 retaining, and now I'm taking over. So this is my 3rd retaining after 4 months of no retaining. And it takes me about 8 full rotations to get back to the root. But regardless, I'm doing it, and never again will I go this long without retaining my hair. But let me know how you start your locks, or if you're starting your lock journey, or you're thinking about starting your lock journey. How are you thinking about starting it? What are some goals that you have? What have you learned, you know, regarding moisture or stuff like that? And try to be cute or decent looking anyways. I'm old, so I don't worry about being cute anymore. Anyhow, I hope you guys will still follow me.